All right, there we go. The stock fan for the Intel processor is on the motherboard. Basically, remember we flipped the top over and secured the processor on the motherboard, and then what we did was you saw the paste on the other side that makes contact with the top of the processor. We popped that on, and then each of these little side screws goes in a counterclockwise position, kind of locks the fan on the board right on top, making contact with the CPU, and that's basically the the mounting of the CPU on the motherboard. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put the memory in, and we'll be back.